Welcome. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were requested by our members from our InfoAir live stream. We have got stocks like IEX and MCX and more today. If you would like to be a part of our live stream, click on the first link in the description to join our group where we have a lot of discussions on stocks and also conduct the InfoAir live stream. Going on to the first stock of today, that is PVR. After the lockdowns began to ease out, people are out on the roads with revenge to make good all their lost experiences in the last 18 months. This is going to give big business growth for many sectors in the market. Among them is the entertainment industry, where people are rushing to watch just any other movie. Theaters are running packed, and with that, some of the most awaited movies like James Bond's No Time to Die are attracting more crowds. Last week, we had an experience to watch this movie in PVR, a packed auditorium, and all the parking bays were full. A clear indication that multiplexes are going to do great business in the coming months. PVR ranks the poorest on its profit growth, which is obvious for a business which was fully shut for more than a year. The stock's price rank has been doing good due to the expectations on future business, hence it is at 22.20, just picking up speed. Coming to the charts, PVR went through a long consolidation for more than a year, and now at the end of September, there is some new energy showing up in the stock. It has given a good breakout 3 weeks back and the stock has been gaining strength. When we get to know that everything is rosy and juicy, the next thought that will go in our mind is, can I buy now? Price of PVR is in overbought levels as of now. It will be good to wait for a correction to 1465 levels, which might not happen in a hurry. For those who feel missed out, can take a small exposure at current price with a stop at 1535 and trail the stop. This way, you can make some profits too before the stock goes into a correction. After correction, PVR can give a high probability winning position. Good to track and focus on that position. The next stock is MCX, a premier commodity exchange of India which had not participated in the uptrend that its peers have been going through in the current market. Stocks like BSE are doing great runs while MCX was in a range. Post the Supreme Court permission to allow new instruments for electricity trading, which was an advantage for MCX that took the stock price to the peaks this week. Ranking wise, MCX is poor on its profit rank at 21.70. Stocks that rank above 80 tend to become multi-baggers in the market. Stocks like Deepak Nitrate, Alkylamines were all in ranks above 80 and have made more than 300 to 500% gains in the current rally. MCX is not a qualifier in the top ranks for now. Even its price rank is pretty low at 11.30, which is because of the long consolidation the stock has gone through. Now with the price taking a leap, ranking will begin to move up. Coming to the charts, MCX has made a beautiful surge with big volume support this week, which is an indication that stocks will go up further. Again, an overbought stock, good to take only a small position at current prices. Make some profits before it comes for a correction. After the correction, MCX has another very powerful and high probability winning opportunity likely. For those who are planning to buy now, have a stop at 1740 and trail your position. The next stock is IEX. IEX is like MCX while there is a difference. IEX was a rank qualifier in October 2020 and post that, it has been going through a big rally in its stock price. As time moves, IEX earnings rank slid lower because there were other stocks in the market that were having bigger profit growth. Price rank for IEX is still at the top, holding at 93.70, which shows that the stock is one of the best profit giver to investors in the last 1 year. IEX has made its investors rich by 260% in the last 1 year. Ranking helped identify the stock as a multi-bagger when its price was at 195, and today the stock is trading at 695. Rupees 500 profit on a rupees 195 investment in 1 year. This is the power of ranking. Such a powerful stock in the power business. Can we buy now? After IEX took off breaking its tight consolidation in November 2020, it has never shown tiredness. This stock has only been going up. Currently, it is at extreme overbought levels, not at all a good choice to buy here. While if you are holding a position, don't think of selling. IEX has a lot of energy left to cover more higher territories. We can see on the charts that after a big move, the stock gets into a small consolidation. Look for such consolidation in the coming weeks. It will be a right pattern to buy this powerful energy stock. IEX needs to be in the radar to onboard when it takes its next nap. The next stock is Bank of Baroda. PSU banks have caught a sudden favor of the market post government announcements favoring their growth. Among them, Bank of Baroda is one of the better known names in the PSU space, unlike PNB kind of weaker ones. On the ranking, we see a pattern that is pretty confused, going up one quarter and coming down in the next. Profit rank for Bank of Baroda, which is at 48.40, is below the halfway mark and far away from the top ranks. Price rank is at 62, which though is lower than the required 80 for a stock to qualify for it to be a great stock to own, compared to other PSU banks, Bank Baroda is stronger, which gives an advantage to invest into it. Coming to charts, Bank Baroda had a beautiful trend reversal signal which took the stock into a steep rally. After that, it came to an abrupt halt after the budget announcement, clearly showing that all the numbers that were shown in the budget was not good to the stocks. Not only Bank Baroda, the whole market became sober after the budgets this year. In that, the uniqueness was the Bank Baroda took this slumber as a long vacation and slept happily, while there were many stocks that have made multiple 100% gains in the same period. Now, Bank of Baroda is decisively coming out of its slumber. It has given continuation trend buy signal this week. One can think of buying Bank of Baroda if its price crosses 89.90 this week and have a trailing stop to maximize your profits on exit. Trend signals are high probability winners and hence Bank Baroda can have a good upside from here. The next stock is BSE. We talked about MCX and IEX. Here comes the Rajinikanth of exchanges in the current market, BSE. During lockdown, if there was one business that was doing great, that is stock exchanges, which millions of new investors pouring into the markets. On ranking, BSE is a stock that has played a perfect pattern. You can see on the graph how the stock takes off after its earnings rank moved to the top. Rank qualification came in May 2021. We have just crossed 5 months and the stock has made 100% gains. If you would like to watch our in-depth video of BSE, you can click on the link on the top right corner. Now, all good, great run. Can we buy now? Just as BSE is approaching its new high, the patterns on the stock chart is developing weakness. It does not mean that BSE will crash land. This stock is climbing up with volume support, which can keep the prices up for some more time. That said, it can get tired soon is what the patterns are showing. It needs a wait and watch. If the next quarterly results gives a thumbs up, BSE has potential to break out of its weakness and get strong. Else, it can get into a sideways range. So buying now needs caution. While for those who are already holding, hold it tight, don't let loose and miss some wonderful profit making opportunities. It is good to buy a stock when it qualifies on rankings where we can make big gains. Using the ranking reports will help us identify the next multi-baggers just as they're getting ready for their launch. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week with another stock review. Happy investing.